Hey guys, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something very fun, a little bit different. You guys know I live in Miami. I love everything nice, everything bougie, and that means nice cars. So today I'm gonna take you guys through picking my brand new car. It's not this though. Come over here with me. This is one of my top options. It's a 2025 Lamborghini Urus with a Mansory kit. Wait till I show you inside. So I don't know if you guys know this, but currently I have a G-Wagon and I was ready for an upgrade. Okay, the G-Wagon gave me way too many problems. So I decided what better way to upgrade than buy a Lamborghini Urus. This is a very special edition. If you guys see the interior, you're gonna understand why. And I'm a car girl, so I need to have the best of the best. Also, one thing I really wanted on my next car was a pretty interior. Come look. So as you guys can see, this is a 10 out of 10 interior. This is the Tiffany blue, perfect for me because it's one of my favorite colors. And if you look closely, this car has carbon fiber finishes. I know you guys know this is an aggressive and aggressively insane SUV. This is a 10 out of 10. And if you see this on the Miami highways, you know that's me. If you guys come over here, take a look at these rims. These have carbon cap rims, which means you have to be extremely careful when driving this on the street. And I'm notorious for hitting curbs, so can't do that in this car. This is a really nice car, so I'm gonna have to be really careful. The black finishes on this car make it look so mean, so aggressive, and like it has no boundaries. And honestly, I don't think I'd have any boundaries driving this thing. So I've shown you this side, I've shown you the wheels, and I showed you the inside. So let's go to the back because it's just as aggressive as the front. Look at the spoiler on this thing. It looks like a Batmobile. Like I swear Batman had this car before me. What do you guys think? Yeah. So once again, guys, like I told you, this is a Mansory kit Urus. So as you can see, there is all of these little details here because it is Mansory detailed. Which means it is just the SUVs of all SUVs, okay? Like this is the top tier. And I don't know if you guys paid attention to detail, but trust me, they did. Look at the Tiffany blue calipers to match the Tiffany blue interior. Come on, what more can you ask for in a car like this? I don't think there is a better build for a Urus. I think what makes this car so special is it's so sexy, it makes you feel dangerous and so confident. I don't think I could ever go back to driving a normal car after this. So guys, I want to hear from you. This is a Lamborghini Urus Mansory. I want to know, how much do you think this car costs? What do you think? 200 or above 500? Message me below and let me know. Again, my name is Desiree and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.